How to make Explorer in Vista remember a folder's view. For no apparent rhyme or reason, Vista will decide to show a folder that was previously in Details view to start showing thumbnails. I go to the folder and right-click, Customize, and set it the template to all items, and also apply this template to all subfolders, but at some point it will again decide to display it as thumbnails. Is there a way to force this setting to stay, or is it that possibly something is changing it that I am not aware of?
There seems to be multiple things that might cause this as an issue, and multiple resolutions as well, hopefully solving or making this bug appear less frequently. Manually resetting the folder view cache/settings. Start reget it. Win plus R, enter reget it, press enter or click OK. Browse to key_current_user_software_classes_local settings/software/Microsoft/Windows/shell. Delete the keys bags and bag room. Browse to key_current_user/software/Microsoft/Windows/shell. Repeat step 3. Browse to key_current_user/software/Microsoft/Windows/shell Neuron. Repeat step 3. Trying some of these additional tweaks might help. Mix it with it and see what you get. Disabling automatic folder type discovery. Browse to key_current_user/software/classes/local settings/software/Microsoft/Windows/shell and reget it. Create a new key under shell, called bags. Create a new key under bags, called all folders. Create a new key under all folders, called shell. Create a new string value under shell, called folder type. Set the string value of folder type to not specified. You can increase the size of the folder view cache as well. Increasing the size of the folder view cache. Browse to key_current_user/software/classes/local settings/software/Microsoft/Windows/shell. Set the stored value of bagroom size to something higher than 5,000. Note, if it's not there, create it. After resetting the cache/settings plus apply tweaks. Log off/on or reboot. Open a Windows Explorer window and go to the Folder Options window. Select the View tab. Check Remember each folder's view settings. Uncheck Restore previous folder windows at logon. Hit the OK. This should do it, or rather, perhaps improve the experience. Nevertheless, using an application as cleaner with the wrong settings can disrupt and delete your settings, so be aware and checking before you use applications focused on cleaning up.
You can make a batch file from a helpful answer.
I had this issue until I disabled UAC. It seemed it took administrator privileges to save the view setting. I admit I tried no other solutions, so perhaps there's a better, more secure remedy.